In this video, I will show you how to remove background noise in an audio file. First, we need a program called Audacity. So open your web browser and do a web search for Audacity. Audacity is a free open source cross-platform audio software. It's free to use both personally or commercially. So click on download to download Audacity. I'm going to download the 64-bit installer for Windows. It looks like I double click it, so I'm going to cancel on this one. Now hover your mouse over download and click on plugins. We need the FFmpeg plugin. Click on the link to download the FFmpeg installer. I'm going to download the 64-bit. Close that. Go to downloads. Force install Audacity. Click on OK. Next, 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 next. Install. Next. Finish. Here it will tell you that FFmpeg is required. Click on OK. OK. Now we're going to install the FFmpeg. Click on yes. I accept. Next. So click on next. Click on install. Click on finish. Close Audacity and then reopen it. Now click on Effect, Plugin Manager. If you want to disable a specific plugin, you can just click on it and click on Disable. So next I'm going to drag and drop a audio file. You can also drag and drop a video file. It will automatically extract the audio file from the video. This is actually a video, so it's going to extract the audio file. So as you can see here, there's some background noise. If we play the audio. In this video, we're going to take a look at Audacity and how to remove background noise from an video audio. Audacity is a... Hope you can hear the static in the background noise. Now to remove that, you highlight a sample of the background noise. You click on Effect. Then go down to Noise Removal and Repair. Click on Noise Reduction. These are the default settings. You can increase the sensitivity, noise reduction, and frequency smoothness. And play around with this to see what you want. But for now, I'm going to leave it as default. I'm going to click on Get Noise Profile. Next, I'm going to click on Ctrl A to select the whole file. Then I'm going to go back to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction. Now I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see here, the noise has drastically reduced. But there's still some noise. Is a very powerful software. So I'm gonna rerun that one more time. Effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction, get noise profile. Control A to select the whole file. Effect, noise reduction, click on OK. Run it one more time. Control A to select the whole file. Effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction. So the audio volume is a little bit low. So I'm gonna select the whole file by clicking on Control A, Effect, Volume and Compression. I'm going to select Amplify. So that's the default value, but I'm going to set it at 8, sorry. Click on apply. So I'm going to play that. In this video, we're going to take a look at Audacity and how to remove background noise from an video audio. So if we click at the end, we see that the static has been completely removed. Now you can also do a lot more with Audacity because there are multiple effects. Now we can check out more effects by clicking on effect, and let's go to fading, and we can do a fade in. This starts with a low volume and then gradually increases. In this video, we're going to take a look at Audacity. In this video, now I'm going to do Control Z to undo that. You can also do a fade out, which is the opposite. In this video, we're going to take a look at Control Z again to undo that. Here you can zoom in and zoom out in the audio file. This is the zoom out, and you can zoom in. I'm going to zoom out of that. As you can see here, there's no background noise. In this video, we're going to take. Now there are many other effects you can try out. I mainly use the noise reduction to reduce the noise in the audio and do an amplify. Do an amplify to increase the volume if the volume is too low. So after you get the audio to where you want it, you need to export it. So you click on File, Export. I'm going to export as MP3. I'm going to save that on my desktop. Click on Save. Now here you can put the artist name, track, album title, track number, year, but I'm not going to enter anything. Click on OK. And here is my audio file without any background noise. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in another one.